What's up, guys? I'm going to show you a new video of this new system I got. Currently Alpine head unit CDA 9885. Soundstream SPLX-15 in a shrunk Pontiac G6. An imported box, tuned to 35 Hertz. The box is not complete. It will be walled off, black vinyled. It will look much better than it does now. Should be finished up this weekend. This sub is ran off the Hifonics Brutus BRZ2400 at 1 ohm, which is what the sub's wired to. Stays cold at 1 ohm, so it's pretty nice. Stinger SPV 35, 0 gauge wire to the amp. It is messy, so sorry about that, but once again this weekend everything will look nice and be complete. But I'm going to play with Khalifa on my level, so try to get you guys a good look at it. Here we go. Here it is. This deck goes to 35. It'll be about 18 or 19.
Oh, it's the champagne. Bombay.
I got back window flex, camera can't pick it. I have good sunroof and roof flex, camera can't really pick it up. And I have a little front windshield flex. Little wiper flex here if you can hear it. But sorry about the camera, it does not pick it up very well. But we'll get in for a second. That was 18, and the deck goes to 35. So that was about halfway up. The amp is tuned with a DMM, so it's all wired right. You know, doesn't look very good, but gain set properly. So it is overpowering this up, so I don't want to blow it. But you know, nice little demo for you guys. Thanks for watching.